Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off unwanted pay services in WeChat Pay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your WeChat. I'm going to click on here to open up my WeChat. So having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom side. The next thing you need to do is to go to Pay and Services. So it's going to take you right here. Then you have all your paying services right here, such as financial services and daily services, transport, station and travel. You can scroll down and shopping and entertainment. If you want to remove any one of the paying services right here to maintain the healthy of the pay services background right here, what you need to do is to simply click on this three dots right here and then go to Manage Services. Then take you right here. Then you can disable any of the button right here. Let's, for instance, I want to turn off wait right here. So I will simply click on here to turn it off. Then by the time I go back, by the time I refresh, you can see it has been disabled. It's as simple as that. You can go on and remove as many as possible from your paying service section right here. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.